year experience in IT line. He helps more than 1,600 SME customers to reduce their computer downtime and cost saving. Allenz, he is a super active person and can't sit quietly. So he has joined a lot of associations such as BNI, JCI, PCCC to know more friends. He likes sport, all kinds of sport, such as football, badminton, bowling, swimming, and more and more. His key to success is always keep low profile wherever you go. So now let's welcome the founder of AEC, Make Your Computer Smile Every Day, Allenz Chuah. Dear Allenz, you have 8 minutes for your presentation. At the 6 minute, our timekeeper will ring the bells once, which means you have 2 more minutes to write up. At the 8 minutes, you will hear the bell rings twice, which means it's time to stop. So now, Allenz, I pass the floor to you.
Okay, thank you, Secretary Treasurer. Okay, so next. Okay, so this is our company page. Okay, as this is our location as well. Okay, so next as well. Okay, what we do, okay, actually we do a few products, okay. Example, we do have computers, okay, all kind of computers, branded or even though clone PC or even though accessory. This is considered on hardware parts, okay. So next, that is okay, we do have recon or even though refurbished laptop or desktop as well. Okay, so next. Okay, next that is software parts. Okay, software parts that we only have that is on standard software, means that like Microsoft Office, okay, like or even though Windows operating system, we do sell all kind of licensing software to the company. Okay, so next. Okay, so we do help customer to do registration on the broadband, okay, like Maxis, Unify, or even on Time. For those customers, you don't need to go to TM or even go to the service centers to register it. You just pass all the documents to us, and we will help you to just key into their portals, and it will you just sit at home or even sit at office to wait for the installer to call you to make appointment. So you will be save a lot of time to queue up in the centers. Okay, so next. Okay, so this is what we do on services. Okay, on how to do cleaning or even do on maintenance hardware to your PC or even laptop in the office or even your house. Okay, so you can see all kind of dust that is already stuck inside your CPU. Okay, it will be cause a lot of issue that is burn up your PC or sometimes that it will be make your PC slow as well. Okay, so next. Okay, so we do installation on site on hardware. Okay, all kind of server or PC or even though we do install cable or even a projector in hotel or even in factory as well. Okay, so next. Okay, so we do like help customer to fix their computer hardware or even do on type up clearly on your all kind of cable is able to easy for us to manage or even for customer easy for manage on their hardware as well. Okay, on their how their things goes on. Okay, so next. Okay, so we do on backup as well. Okay, help customer to back up all their data, even though we have a solution to help them to back up their data in their storage or even though in their cloud system. Okay, so ensure that all kind of things that you won't be lost or even though sometimes that customer will feel that the accounting software is very important or some of their design works is very important. So we will help them to solve this kind of issue that will ensure that customer won't have any downtime during their operating system operating hours. Okay, so next. Okay, so this is some of the review from our customer in our page. Okay, so you may go and our Facebook page to have a look on that. Okay, next. Okay, so this is our target market. That is, we are focused in 4 areas. Okay, 4 states as well. Okay, Penang, Kedah, Perak, KL, and even though in Johor. So we will have some of the things that like we focus on factory project base. Okay, so next. So what is the things that is listened for? Okay, so you may ask your customers, sorry, this is what conversation starter. So you may ask your customers that when is the last time that your PC doing maintenance in your office, and where you buy your computer's hardware from, and what is the response time for your IT support, and how much you spend for your IT support for a year. Okay, next. That is okay, phrase to listen for. Phrase to listen for, that is you might heard about your friend saying that, hey, my PC or my office PC kena virus again, or my IT vendor support response time is very slow, and I'm looking to do outsource for my company IT support, and I'm looking for PC, or I need IT support. So kindly can refer them to me. Okay, next. So why us? Okay, we will have a fast response time. That is means that we will have on the same business day, or by the next business day. So our the faster response time, that is 4 hours response. Then we have more than 15 years IT experience in this industry, and we will help you to do cost saving as well. Okay, it means that each time you spend, it will be having your you will see the result. Okay, it's not only ask you to spend this, spend that. Okay, next. Okay, this is our previous project that we doing before on Maxis. We doing on their all IT outlet support on their hardware and software. Okay, and we do on 3 merchant credit card machine maintenance support as well, means that we do programming on their credit card machine. And then Citibank, we will do on their PC migration from Windows XP to from Windows 2000 to Windows XP in Penang, about 700 plus migration. Then we do on the project for HP to do installation, or for PDRN in Penang as well. And some of the things that we do on some of the brand that we carry on service center, okay, like APC, the UPS, okay, HP, next. Okay, like Asus, Belkin, HP, MSI, Oki, Zycel, and this is what kind of things that on IT hardware. Next. Okay, so this is a customer base that we serve. We have to have logistic, we do have developer, we do have hotel, we do have automation, we do have car dealer, or even though we have pharmacy, or even though property management. Okay, so next. Okay, so this is the things that we offer to the new customer, that is those that is they would like to try our service. Okay, we are able to provide them for one time for two trip for 99 ringgit. Okay, for 2 trip, it means that on-site service to our customer. Okay, next. I think that's all. So Q&A. So back to you, President.
Great, thank you, Allenz. Wonderful sharing. So let's just open up for Q&A. Any questions to Allenz? Allenz, how many are there any minimum computers required in a company for you to sign up a servicing contract?
Yes, it's a minimum that is 5 PC and above. Means that my target market will be those companies that have more than 5 PC and above. That is my target market.
Great. So, any questions from the floor? Okay, so let us have one-to-one with Allenz later to understand more about his business. And really awesome presentation by Allenz.